Dumela, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Traveler Frank. Today I want to show you how to repair a fridge. Yeah, it's my first time to do that. According to the YouTube, that's what I learned on YouTube. Let's try if it will work today. I was told if I switch it on, like this one now, when I switch it on, it runs, the compressor runs, but here are the tubes are not hot. They are not. It seems that they are not working. I mean, there is no gas on it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take. I'll turn the fridge just like this. Sorry. Uh, just like this. I'm told to take this number here. This number. You see, yeah, it's very cold. So I'll take this number and then go to the shop that sells gas and see how much it will cost and if it will work or not. Welcome. Oh, before, let me show you the other fridge. I'm gonna not working at all. Nothing. Close it and then as it off. Alright. This is another fridge, as you see. It's on but not working also. So what I'm going to do is to take these numbers. Let's learn how to repair together. Two fridges, it's not working. The fridge guys are not coming. Let's see if it will work. I can see Tala and double M. Can someone tell me in the comment section if indeed it's a Kenyan business? This is Kem City. I like visiting here often. It's so nice chilling here and viewing the Harley Hill. Finally, we are here at Mr. Fan. Here you will get all the materials for fridges and air cons. I'm advised to take both of them. Each will be enough according to the numbers I took from the compressors. Now let's get out of here. And this is the fairground mall. As you see, it's so quiet. There's nothing going on here. There's no flowing of cars. I think it's because it's lunch time. Let's go and have lunch. This is Botswana street food. I think I'll take seswa and pap. Pap is like ugali in Kenya. What's your name? Kabo. Kabo. This is a traditional attire of Botswana. Yeah. Just look at this. See what termites can do. I'm told it's working. But during the rainy season, it trips. It's so dangerous. Hope the corporation will see this. Now I'm back. I got this. Oh, that bipolar, that's like 350 Kenya shillings. And I got this one for 60 puller. And I got this for 65 puller. The total is like 150 puller. Now, what I'll do, you see, the fridge is off. I have to run the fridge first. See, the light is on, but there is no gas. I have to turn like this. See? Then because I'm working, I should sit. Now, I have to do this. Yeah. Yes. Okay. tell you the sound when you see the sound now is there. And then you start now. So open it slowly. It's now moving in. You see? Yes, this one is getting hot. Because so waiting until this part is so hot, like this one. When this one is hot, then we're done. Yes, yeah. I can increase here. Add more pressure. Noted is warm, supposed to be hot. And this one is very cold. This one, the outlet. Cold. As you see, so cold now. Guys, let's end this video here. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope this will help you to repair your fridge.